In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another part of the same Google Docs document. Internal links are a great way to help readers jump straight to the section they need, and they make your document feel organized and professional. We'll use Google Docs' built-in tools so the links stay accurate, even if your document grows or sections move. First, prepare the place you want people to jump to by formatting that section as a heading. Click into the line that marks the start of the section, usually the section title, and apply a heading style. You can do this from the toolbar by choosing a heading level, or from the Format menu under Paragraph Styles. Heading 1 is typically for main sections, and Heading 2 or 3 works well for subsections. The key here is to use an actual heading style, not just bold text, because Google Docs recognizes headings and makes them selectable for linking. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This is the text your readers will see and use to jump to that section. Pick wording that clearly describes where it goes, like the name of the section. Now open the link dialog. On Windows and Chrome OS, press Ctrl+K. On a Mac, press Command+K. If you prefer the mouse, you can also right-click the selected text and choose Link. The link box will appear, ready for you to choose what this text should point to. In the link dialog, look for the drop-down labeled Headings and Bookmarks. Click it, and you'll see a list of the headings that exist in your document. Choose the heading you just created for your destination section. Google Docs will fill in the link automatically. Confirm the choice, and your selected text becomes a link to that exact spot. When you click the link in the document, it will jump directly to the heading, making navigation seamless. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. If you don't see your heading in the list right away, make sure you apply a heading style, not normal text, and give it a second to appear. Consistent heading levels help keep the list tidy and easy to find. Also, if you later rename the heading, the link continues to work, because it targets the heading itself, not the text you typed. And that's it. Format the destination as a heading, select the text you want to link, open the link dialog, and choose the heading from the Headings and Bookmarks list. It's a simple, reliable way to create internal navigation inside any Google Doc.